Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. Yes, I did not give a notice when I was coming on, and I'm hoping this worked because I'm in a different spot because I have people in the house. I think it's working. That's good. All right, guys, what's happening today? Let me get through this real quick. I hope you watch Red and Marty's live, both great lives. And you know I am the follow-up to listen to my advertising. Marty's a little goofy today, so he was off a little bit. But what's going on today? 2 o'clock, which is in hour and a half, is Red Redford in the UK. One of the best presentations. If you have a guest, if you have a new person, I will post that link under here in my Facebook. Please get on there. Red does one heck of a live and excellent Q&A afterwards. Immediately following that is the 3 o'clock Arabic private founders webinar. This is going to be Ash's last time we'll see him because he is going on a road trip. Yes, guys, the back office is down because all the information is going to the new site. So just be patient. If you did sign up and it stopped on you, you're okay. You got lots of time. But in order to get the new O-Founders up and going, everything has to be transferred from Go-Founders to O-Founders. So don't panic. It's okay. Yes, a lot of the private links are back there. Ask around. We'll get them to people that we know are founders. Please do not share that to anyone that's not a founder, and we'll get you in that meeting. It's going to be all in Arabic, just to let you know. All right? I don't think there's going to be a Q&A. Ash is going to get on there with Peter Shore, and they're going to do their, and Mohammed Kamal, and he's going to talk, but it's going to be in Arabic, so just remember that. But that's at 3 o'clock. And then at 6:30 is the Julie and Milo show, and I'll get to the highs in a minute here. Julie and Milo show Wednesday, and Lord, I can't remember who's presenting. If Julie's on here, I'm sure she'll write it in there, but I know she's driving right now. And then my show tonight, I can't, myself in the row, I'll cancel it tonight. We have, 3 big webinars today. We want to restructure that webinar to make it a little more productive. We've been having fun with it, but we want to change it a little bit. And I also want to talk about tomorrow real quick. And I'll still talk about tomorrow, but the 9 o'clock rapid fire will be canceled on Thursday due to the fact that Bangladesh has got a huge meet and greet, and that's at 11:30. We'll get you that link. That's an all-nighter there, guys. So, but the 9 o'clock rapid fire will be canceled on Thursday. The 8 o'clock will still be on, and I believe Mike Ellis will be doing the presentation. Also, check out Mike Ellis and his interview on the Julie and Milo show. Go to julieandmilo.com, check that out. Pretty damn cool, I thought, for Mike. Sorry about the language, but Mike's just a great guy, and he's humble. He hates when I do this, but I can't help it. I have a lot of respect for Mike. Let me get down and say some highs real quick. Jacqueline Lewis, Debbie Morgan, Helen, I always say your name right. Helen de la Bastide, I hope I said that right. Tanya, Steve Hennard in the house. She is on my team. She's a Michigander. Neil Bamanya. I always your name's tough for me. I apologize. Nikki, Patty, what's happening in the UK? 2 o'clock. Patty will be on there. Marty DeGarmo, holy cow, is on here. Great live, Marty. You won today. You beat Red. Anita George, Kent Patterson, New Zealand. Anthony Halaz, Listra, Abdullah Muhammad, what's happening? Sabias, Cheryl, Diane, Pat Parent, what's happening? Listra again. All right, let me go back to talking, and then I'll say some more highs there. A lot of confusion. Got a lot of emails and text all night long last night about not only the back office. We did post it. It'll be going. It's going to be like that until we get into the old founder. So just be patient, but. The great news we got the other day, and Ash allowed us to talk about it, is he hired, someone said, oh, did Ash step down? No, Ash will never step down, guys. He hired a CEO for one branch of Onpassive, and the salary of that CEO is $3 million, okay? If you look up on the internet, the best Google CEO, his salary is $2 million, okay? That's a salary. That's how much value Ash has in this man. And he knows what he's going to get for it. So don't get confused on that. Ash is still the CEO. There's a lot of CEOs and companies to take over a bigger branch. This guy's part of one huge branch. Do I know his name yet? No, but that's not important to me. If Ash has paid him $3 million salary, I'm sure it's going to be worth it, and he's going to help us all out. So don't get confused about that. Really cool. Many things happening. Friday starts the travel tour of the USA. And once that gets done, and this is for founders, This is for founders only, and there's also a lot of safety things that we have to worry about to protect the Mafar family and the founders. So those aren't going to be announced everywhere. It's going to be a last minute thing. So you'll get an email in your email if he's in your state to come to a certain function. So just remember that. Keep an eyeball on your emails. That starts Friday. He'll be leaving, going through the United States, and then after that he will go overseas. All right, which is a lot of fun. All my buddies over there are going to be extremely excited. So that's happening. So I want you to ask yourself this question: why the heck aren't you in this yet? All right. If the new the CEO running the branch with that kind of salary doesn't get you excited, I don't know what does. Like I said, the foundership is very close to becoming to an end. Once he hits a certain number, the founder position will be done, and then he's going to start on something else. I'll let you know more about that, which is really cool. I mean, this man keeps giving people the opportunity over and over and over again. We're all very, very excited about what's happening. Late night calls all night long, and it's a lot of fun. It's sometimes challenging, but we're doing the best we can. Reach out to any leadership. All right, we'll help you with certain things, everything, we really are. But also remember, this is your business. Take responsibility. The back office, like I said, it's a little confusing right now because we're transferring data from one to the other. And that's a great thing. I don't think you guys realize that. Marty said it, Red said it. Bill Must has said it. It's a great thing, guys. That's the start of it. That's the start of it. So if you haven't gotten into this now is really the time to get into it. He did talk about price going up when we get to a certain spot. I know a lot of you are signing up like crazy at the $97 position, which is a great thing. But just be patient. Once you register, you'll be fine. The back office, like I said, is a little up now, but you have time. So don't panic. My buddy Red says, not to panic. Don't panic. We're going to get y'all in there. You're all safe and secure. So if you do have a birthday today, I'm going to wish you a happy birthday. I know tomorrow my mom is turning 80 years old, so I will not be on webinars tomorrow. I'll probably do a live. We're taking my mom out and celebrating her 80th birthday, and then I will be on the 11:30 Bangladesh. Excited about Bangladesh. Really excited about Bangladesh. That's at 11:30 night. That's going to be an all-nighter, I believe. And I got all kind of people texting me, guys. If you can't get in the back office, just be patient. It sometimes goes up for a minute and it goes down. But if you need that link to the Arabic webinar, we're trying to post it to personal people that we know are founders, but we just don't want you sharing that to the public. Very important, you do not share that. This will be, as far as what Ash told us, his last Zoom because he's going on the tour, which is really exciting. He's going to go into many states, and we're really excited about it. He will be coming to Michigan to sit down with myself, Peter Schur, Joyce Hicks, about the homeless project I've been talking to you guys about, okay? To him, to all of us, very, very important. We're going to get this done. And then as we get that patented and working, we're going to call the angels of the world, and we're going to start promoting that all over the world and get rid of homelessness amongst many other things. So don't even hesitate, guys. Everything's rolling out really good. I think we're way ahead of schedule. A lot of people are sitting there saying this or that, but guess what? It's happening. It's going down. I'm excited. You better be excited because you all know what's coming. Let me say some highs here. Pat Parent, what's happening? MD, what's going down? Oh, I'm trying to get y'all. Yolanda, what's happening? Joggy, there's a good one. If I missed your name, John White, Barbershop. Hi guys, how you doing? Happy days for you guys coming. John, thanks for those beautiful videos you do. Timmy Johnson, I know he's getting ready for a gig. Thank you, and especially my best friend, brother Bill Must, who's probably not on here because he's probably working his fingers to the bone on the computer. Tina, what's happening? Prethap, Helen, Tanya Passive, my favorite. So let's do this and keep it going. I'm going to shout out to my auto worker buddies again. I know what's happening with the auto industry. Make this your plan B. To you teachers, substitute teachers, this is an opportunity where you can still teach, still make this and a lot more of it. Get into this, all right? You're going to get on O Academy, and I know The 100% of the teachers I know love to teach. It's killing them now because of this virus has slowed things down. They're nervous, they're scared. Guess what? What if I told you you could do your classes right out of your house, right on your computer, in any country in the world, and get paid for it? Same with you auto workers. My God, I did it. All right, get out of that routine. That routine sucks. 40, 50, then you got 100 hours a week and you go back down to 20 or you're laid off. My God, get into something that's never going to happen like that. You're going to wake up and guess what's going to happen? Bing, bang, boom. You're going to have all kind of people signing up throughout the world and you're going to earn a residual income. It doesn't get any better than that. And all you people that don't believe, you will soon, and you'll still be a reseller. There isn't one person, I don't think, in this world that isn't going to be part of Onpassive. Onpassive is coming not only with the digital products, but we also have physical products. Hold on. I'm live. So I just hung up on someone, not sure who, but sorry. So get that straight, guys. We have things coming in the future that Ash has talked about, and he's also said that if he says it, he's doing it. He'll give us a time frame on that. Hold on. Hey, buddy, I'm on a live. Let me call you back. I don't know. So let's do this. Keep it going. As you can see, my phone, I probably got 100 texts right now. Phone's ringing off the hook from everywhere in the world, and that's great. But, man, do not miss this. I'm telling you right now, this is never going to happen in our lifetimes again. And I say get on board. If you don't believe, you don't believe. Not like my sister says, Diane Lennon, and everyone. Some people are just meant to be founders, and that's okay. But Onpassive is going to have something for everybody, from kindergarten all the way to government. All right, they're all going to be in it, and guess where they're going to come? They're going to come under the founders. Amazing. You're going to wake up one day and say, "Holy cow! Holy cow!" Chris Johnson was not lying; he was telling the truth. He did it every day. So did Red Redfern. So did Marty DeGarmo, and then thousands of other peoples on a daily basis. We're doing this because we care about you and we want you to help change your lives and break that cycle, that 40-hour job, which sucks. It does. It really does. All right, I got to get going. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday. Check out Bill Musk's YouTube channel, please. He does great videos with Timmy with the pictures and John White with the other videos and wonderful words. I always post them on my Facebook. Check him out. Show him some love. And just get in this because it's coming. All right, I think I got everyone, but I got to get going here. I love you all, and I'll see you at the top. See ya!